Students, welcome back to the moral science class. Last class we have finished up to this. Today I will go through finish the whole chapter. One day Sagar forgot to take his lunch box. See, now what had happened? By the time recess arrived, Sagar was starving. Starving means fasting. As soon as the bell rang, he rushed out the classroom to wash his hands. In the process, his hands accidentally hit his bag, which fell down moments after he had left the classroom. Sitting in the next row, Ankita came to forward to pick up his bag. While collecting his things, she noticed that his lunch box was missing. Means Sagar did not carry his lunch box. Realizing that her brother had forgotten, this part is very important, to carry his lunch that day, Ankita quickly took her own tiffin and put it in his bag. Returning to his seat, Sagar finished the tiffin without noticing that his sister hadn't eaten at all. The period after lunch was of mathematics. Ankita took out her maths notebook and the pencil box. Here is also an incident had happened. See, she saw that her pencil was not sharpened. She reached for the sharpener, but it was not there in her bag. She asked Sagar to lend. Lend means to borrow his sharpener to her. Sagar was upset since morning and refused by saying, I will not give you my sharpener. Sagar was very strict as before. He denied to give. What happened? Then Manu, the student sitting behind Sagar, was observing everything. He was Sagar's friend, but he did not like the way Sagar behaved with his. See, in your class also, some are very sensible. With by them, you can solve any problem. Like Manu, yeah. So he observed everything, and now he opened his mouth. What he say? To make Sagar realize his mistake, Manu told him that his sister had put her own lunchbox. It's very important this part. Please follow. During recess time. Recess means the rest time. While she herself remained hunger, Sagar was stunned to know this. He realized that this sister loved him dearly. He felt ashamed of his behavior towards his sister. Sagar went over to Ankita's seat after the period got over and said, I am sorry now. Realize. I have realized my mistake. I know that you love me a lot. From today, forget it. Ankita was very merciful girl. Interrupt means to obstruct. Innocently. Innocent means very without any complicacy. Give me your sharpener as my pencil is still blunt. She made it very easy. And it is the art period now. Sagar was happy. He knew that his sister had forgiven him. Forgiven means to forgive. He quickly gave her the sharpener with beaming smile on his face. There was a strong bond between brother and sister from that day. The moral of the story learn the love of siblings is a gift that lasts forever. So from this chapter already I have finished. Today I have done the revision class. Please be attentive. Now I will come to the question and answer one after another. Ankita's brother. First question. Just 3 questions you will learn. First question I am telling. How did Ankita's brother treat her? How did she react? Ankita's brother Sagar kept bullying Ankita all the time. She only complained. This is complained. N-E-D. This is N-E-D. Okay. D. This is D. I have already written D. Complaint to her mother. I am holding this question. Please write. I hope you can see. Now, number 2. Why had Sagar beaten Ankita? Ankita took maths notebook from Sagar's bag without asking him. Sagar slapped her for this work. This is question number 2. Now, question number 3. What had their father promised them? Their father promised to give a bicycle to the one who would receive higher marks in the final examination. This is number 3. So I am holding this. Please, I am holding this 3 question answer. Already fill in the blanks I have told. You can get it. You can write on your own. No problem. But I am helping you. I hope this question answer no need. Only 3 question answer you will learn, and from this chapter you will learn word meaning from here, page number 12. Then fill in the blanks, page number 13, and 3 question answer, page number 13. I hope you all have understood the chapter. So start again. This is your revision work of class chapter 2. Thank you.